Children, write date, classwork, and revision number 11 now. Yes, children, write this revision 11. And after writing revision 11, you have to leave one line and then write fill in the blanks. Children, write date and classwork. You have to take out new page, write date and classwork there. After writing date and classwork, leave one line, write revision 11. Then again leave one line, write fill in the blanks and note down these questions. So first bit, 71 plus 0 equal to, then second bit. Okay, children, and you remember that you have to leave one line after every bit. This is your bit C. This is 43 plus 2 equal to I'm not leaving any space here, but remember that after every bit you have to leave one line, okay? Note down these questions. Note down these questions. Yes, Ashrita?
Ma'am,
Yes.
page number.
Ashrita, you have to note down this revision 11 in your notebook. Okay? Yes, children, note down these 10 questions in your notebook. And remember that after every bit, you have to leave one line. I did not leave any space here, but you have to leave one line after every bit. Children, note down fast. Okay, is there anyone who is still writing? Children, is there anyone who is still writing? If no, then we'll start. Okay. Siddharth. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Read first bit.
17 plus 0.
17.
Answer is 17.
17.
See, 71, ma'am.
Yeah. 71.
Plus 0.
Yeah. Then what is the answer?
71, ma'am.
Very good. See, children, always, listen. Remember this thing that whenever you are adding 0 to any number, that number will not change. So if you will add 0 with any number, you will get that number itself. So 71 plus 0 equal to 71. We'll get that same number back. Now your next bit is, this is 38 plus 4. Now what you have to do is, instead of arranging these numbers in ones and tens column, what you can do, you can just count forward whatever is the number after plus sign. If you will look at this question, after plus sign number is 4. This means you have to count forward 4 after 38. What I said, that whenever questions are given in this form, what you have to do is, you have to see what is the number after plus sign. Here after plus sign number is 4. So you will count forward 4 after 38. Okay. Suryansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me 38 plus 4 how much? Start counting after 38 and count forward 4.
39, 40, 41, 42. 42.
42. And you should do this addition by using your fingers. Okay, Suryansh? Yeah, so answer is 42. That's correct. So 38 plus 4 equal to 42. So we'll write here 42. Now next, third bit. Sai Joshit, third bit.
Ma'am.
Yes, read that question.
Ma'am.
Yes, read third question.
43 plus 2.
So how much? Yeah,
45.
very good. Children, you will count forward 2 after 43. So answer is 45. So we'll write here 45. That's correct. Okay. Now next. Shri Shagvi. Shri Shagvi. Shri Shagvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read fourth question. Fourth D bit. Yes, tell me. Shri Shagvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read fourth question. Come on. Fourth bit. D bit. This one. Read. This is 2121. See, after so many days you are attending class and then also you are not paying attention. Shri Shagvi, pay attention, okay? So now listen. Children, this is 2121. Then we have plus symbol here. Then 4. So this is 21 plus 4. 21 plus 4. Now after plus sign, number is 4. So we'll count forward 4. We'll count forward 4. So now 21 plus 4 equal to Swarnika. Swarnika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me 21 plus 4 equal to how much?
25.
25. Very good. So children will count forward 4 after 21. So 21 plus 4 equal to 25. That's the correct answer. So we'll write here 25. Okay. Tanvisri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read fifth bit, E bit.
28 plus 0.
So 28 plus 0 equal to
28.
28. Very good. Whenever we will add 0 to any number, that number will not change. So answer is 28. That's correct. Ayansh. Ayansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Ayansh, F bit. Read that question.
9 plus 7 is equal to 46, ma'am.
Very good. That's the correct answer. This is 39 plus 7 equal to 46. So we'll write here 46. Okay. Yes, Ayan.
Ma'am,
Yes, you were raising your hand. Do you have any doubt?
46, ma'am. I'll say answer.
Ayan, this is not your turn. I'll get back to you, then I'll ask you, okay? Wait for your turn. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, that's like a good boy. Okay, next. Arhan Mohammed.
Yes.
Yes, Arhan, read next question. Bit G.
41 plus 5.
41 plus 5 equal to how much?
46.
46. Very good. That's the correct answer. Answer is 46. Children, we will start counting after 41 and we will count forward 5. So 41 plus 5 equal to 46. That's the correct answer. Rohit Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rohit, please read next question. H, bit H. Rohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please read H bit.
H bit
Yeah.
8080 plus 4.
8080 plus 4. What is that?
84.
80 plus 4 equal to 84. That's the correct answer. So we'll write here 84. Now, next. Advait, good job. Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next bit. Bit I. Read that question.
55
55.
plus
Plus.
5.
Yeah. So tell me 55 plus 5, how much? Start counting after 55 and count forward 5. Tell me.
56.
Wrong. Turn on your camera, Advait, and take out 5 fingers quickly. Yeah, show me your 5 fingers. Yeah, now start counting after 55. After 55.
Nice students.
70. 56.
Yes. 57.
57. 58.
Yes.
59.
Yes.
60.
So answer is?
60.
Yeah, that's correct. That's the correct answer. Answer is 60. 60.
60.
So we'll write here 60.
60.
60. Now that's correct. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan Puluru, you need to unmute yourself. Ayan. Ayan. Yes, read last bit.
66 plus 7. 73, ma'am.
First read that question.
66 plus 70.
No, not 70.
7.
66 plus 7 అని చెప్పింది
63.
66
plus 7.
equal to?
73.
Very good. Very good, Ayan. Answer is 73. 66 plus 7 equal to 73. Children, write this answer. Okay, children. So now I'm clearing all this and then we'll start our next revision. So write date and classwork. And this is your revision. 12, your revision number 12 now. So after writing date and classwork, leave one line. And then write revision 12. And then write the question. add the following. Yes, children, now start noting down the question. You have to add the given numbers, okay? So this is 23 plus 14. I'll put plus symbol later on. Okay. Yes, now next. 23 plus 14, then your next is 43 plus 16. And here also you have to put plus symbol. This is 23 plus 14. And children, do not forget to put this plus symbol. Note down these two. Note down these two questions in your notebook. This is 23 plus 14 and 43 plus 16. Now children, remember this thing. Again, I'm repeating that whenever you are adding two digit numbers, we always start adding the number in ones place first. We always start adding the number in ones place first. So here also we will start adding with the number in ones place. Okay. So Ananya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Ananya. Read first question now.
23 plus 7.
Read properly.
No.
23
23
plus 14.
Very good. 23 plus 14. Now Ananya, tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
ones place.
3, 4.
3 and 4. So tell me 3 plus 4 how much?
7.
Very good. So children, 3 plus 4 is 7. So we'll write 7 in ones place. And in tens place, what are the numbers?
Tens place, what is the number?
2, 1, 3.
2 plus 1 equal to?
3.
Very good. So we will write here.
What is the number?
37.
Very good, Ananya. So 2 plus 1 is 3, children. So answer is 3, 7, 30.
7.
Correct answer. Very good, Ananya. Very good. Good girl. Okay. Now, Janvi, you read next question quickly. Janvi,
Yes, ma'am.
next question.
43 plus 16.
43 plus 16. So, what are the numbers in ones place?
3 plus 6.
3 and 6. Very good. So, now tell me 3 plus 6 how much?
9.
9. Okay. So, 3 plus 6 is 9. So, we'll write here 9 in ones place. And what are the numbers in tens place?
4 plus 1.
4 plus 1. So, 4 plus 1 equal to? So answer is
59.
answer is 59. Very good. That's the correct answer. Very good, Janvi. So children, answer is 5959. Okay. So now next question. Children, write down next question. Okay. So this is 24 plus 24. Then next question. This is 48 plus 50. Then next 76 plus 22. Next is 76 plus 22. After that, we have 66 plus 30. Then we have 66 plus 30. Yeah. Ketan. Okay, first, okay, children, first you note down the question. Then I'll ask you. I'm giving you 1 minute time. Note down the questions.
ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తావు నువ్వు?
Yes, children, note down the questions. Yes, children, 30 more seconds. Yes, children, will start now. Now, Brinda.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Brinda. Now read third bit. Read that question.
4,
Wrong.
2, 4, 24 plus 2, 4, 24, 4, 8, 48.
First count.
Okay, so question is 24 plus 24. Now, Brinda, tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
Ones place lo 4, tens place lo 2,
No.
What is that tens place law?
Ones place లో ఏం numbers ఉన్నాయి?
ones place lo
What is that law? I don't know.
4 plus 2.
4.
No. Brinda, listen. Just tell me what are the numbers in ones place.
4 plus 4.
4 and 4. What you will say? 4 and 4. Now tell me 4 plus 4 how much?
Count.
Brinda, 4 plus 4?
4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8.
4 plus 4 equal to 8. Okay, now Brinda, tell me what are the numbers in tens place?
2 plus 2. 2 and 2.
Okay, then
And 2 is equal 4.
numbers are 2 and 2. Now we will add 2 and 2 together. So 2 plus 2 equal to 4. That's the correct answer, Brinda. Very good, Brinda. Answer is 48. That's the correct answer. Okay. Ketan. Ketan.
Ma'am.
Yes, read next question. Fifth question.
Take 4 fingers. Take 5 fingers forward for 6,
Ketan. Ketan, you read.
5, 4.
Sorry, Ketan. Ketan, listen, read question number 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, ma'am.
Wrong. I said read that question. You are not reading that question. What is that question? Read that question. Read the number in ones place and tens place together.
10 plus, ma'am. Take 8, 4. Will come, ma'am. 8 will come, ma'am. 80.
Ketan,
80 will come.
Ketan, you are not at all listening what I am asking you. Listen.
88.
Ketan, quiet. Ketan, listen to me what I am asking. I am asking you what is the question. Read that question.
Read the question and
98.
Wrong.
read the question. Read the question.
Question I am asking. 4, 8.
8 plus
4, 8.
4, 8. 4, 8, 48, ma'am.
48 then.
6,
Yes.
5,
No.
0.
Wrong.
5 is 50.
So this is 48 plus 50. 48 plus?
50.
Yeah, this is how you should read the question. So now tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
Ones place.
1 plus 0. Yeah. 8, ma'am.
8 and?
0.
So 8 plus 0 equal to?
8.
8. Yeah, 8 plus 0 equal to 8. And what are the numbers in tens place?
10 place.
4.
4 and?
5.
4 plus
4
5
and
equal to?
5.
Take 5 fingers.